YouTubers, stop giving what you don't have. You heard me right. Make it make sense, guys. You see somebody that has 100 subscribers and the person is doing a video and teaching you how to get 1000 subscribers to enable you get monetized. Like, please make it make sense. Why are you giving what you don't have? Why? All because of views. You just want the views. Do you know that will even discourage people from watching that particular video? Yes, because when I see your video and it says how to get 1000 subscribers in 30 days, in 20 days, in 10 days, I go ahead and I look at your subscribers and I'm seeing 200 subscribers, 100 subscribers. So why haven't you gotten that 1000 subscribers in 20 days? You need to get it first before you come and teach us how you got it, right? So guys, see, a lot of YouTubers are very guilty of this. I know we are all trying to get views, but let's do it the right way. Don't allow people to see your channel and swipe like, what is this? What is this saying? Look at your channel. Or you are teaching people how to get views when your channel is struggling for views. Like, you guys should make it make sense. I don't understand. Like, this is one thing that I can never understand. You are not getting views and you are teaching people how to get views. Like, so why has that tip that you are sharing for us, why is it not working on your own channel? Why is that tip not working on your own channel? You need to make it work on your own channel before you start teaching us. This is one thing I see every time. I'm like, what is the problem? And another thing that normally causes it is, you see this copy on YouTube, it's getting too much. Everybody is copying and copying and copying and copying. Somebody just did a video on I got 20,000 views, I got 50,000 views, and you saw that this person got a lot of views on that particular post. And the next thing is this: you are doing that video right away. You want to do it, you want to recreate the video. But before you do something like that, you have to ask yourself, has this thing worked for me? Is the result showing on my channel? If it's showing, no problem, go ahead. But if it's not showing, please calm down. By the time it's showing on your channel, you can now come and teach us. Or you see somebody do a video and the person says, how I got 1000 subscribers in 30 days. And that video blows up. Everybody is watching, they want to know. And you be like, 200,000 views in this video. Please let me go and do it. And you just go ahead and do it. And your channel is struggling to get 100 subscribers. It doesn't work like that. So let me tell you the truth, a lot of people will not watch your video. That is why you keep saying, I am posting videos with the views. Because the thing you are teaching them is not showing on your channel. Why don't you talk about some other things? Why don't you do that instead? Talk about something that is showing on your channel, or you talk about if you are consistent on YouTube, the results you will get. Like, there are other topics you will talk about. Something is not visible on your channel and you are coming to teach people, or you are not yet monetized on YouTube and you are teaching people how to get monetized fast on YouTube. Like, I don't understand. I don't see. I'm trying every day. I keep trying, because I've seen all these things a lot of times. How to get monetized fast on YouTube and you have not gotten monetized. In fact, you have not even gotten to 1000 watch hour. You are teaching people how to get monetized. Another one that is very funny, let me tell you guys, how to go viral on YouTube. The person that is teaching this particular topic now, you go to his or her channel, you will see that there is no viral video there. No viral video. The highest number of views on that person's channel is 1000. And the person is teaching you how to go viral. Please, if you know you are guilty of this and you are watching this particular video right now, please amend your ways. Change. I don't know if it's a format that people are using. I don't really understand, but you cannot give what you don't have, no matter how you try to paint it. I don't have this thing. How do you now want me to give it to you? How? I need to get it first before I'm able to give it to you. Do you understand? Yes, it's okay for you to learn some other stuff. Just learn and learn, make research. You understand? And then you talk about it because you want to educate people on it. That one is a different case. But you now sit pretty and start saying, if you know you want to get monetized fast on YouTube, do these 5 things. And you have not done it. Oh, you have not done it to make it work on your channel. You are not coming to teach people. YouTubers, please, this is 2024. We can do better. Let us do better. At the end of the day, we are all going to get monetized. We are all going to get monetized, but let's do it the right way. Let's do it the right way. So guys, I hope you have been able to learn something from this video. If you did, please kindly comment on this video and let me know your experience. If you have seen anybody with that kind of video before, share your experience with me, and like this video, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.